7b97z45, line 22, optical dipole mirror, cold atoms, Higgs electric magnetic fields, 5G Wow Seti. There's the alien radio signal. This is magnetic Higgs field structure of cold atoms mirrors for the core engines UFO found in the WOW data research and thought ideas for line 22. August 21st, 2013. Today, September 24th, 2013. Previous video is line 22, 7b97z44, electrically charged atom particles, Higgs argon gas laser beam formulas, 5G Wow Seti. Sub-wavelength-diameter optical fiber plus atom trapping and guiding. The keywords Rubidium atoms from the blog www.mpq.mpg.de. Quote and diagram from a blog. Optical dipole mirror for cold rubidium atoms. Elastic optical mirror for neutral atoms was proposed by R.G. Cook and R.K. Hill in 1982. It was realized for the first time for the thermal atomic beams in 1988 and for atoms from magneto-optical trap in 1990. The mirror allows the atoms having the velocity component perpendicular to the mirror surface to be reflected in the proximity of the vacuum dielectric border. The basic component of the optical mirror is a dielectric prism, usually made of quartz or glass. Evanescent wave is excited on the prism surface with a frequency greater than the frequency of the chosen optical transition in reflected atoms. See figure 1. So it shows the cold atoms, blue detuned evanescent wave, and the basic scheme of the optical dipole mirror for cold atoms. And that's from www.coldatoms.com. Formula from the data. Oops. Hold on. I got magnetic fields. I'm going to add the word formula here. I had an idea there was formula and I messed up. Sorry. Okay, so from the data, elastic optical mirror, obsidian glass mirrors with hollow core fiber optic wires in them, add the thermal atomic beams and atoms in magneto-optical trap. I'm going to Google it. Keyword magneto-optical trap. Quotes and diagrams are from Wiki. A magneto-optical trap, abbreviated MOT, is a device that uses laser cooling with magneto-optical trapping in order to produce samples of cold trapped neutral atoms at temperatures as low as several microkelvins, 2 or 3 times the recoil limit. See Doppler cooling limit. By combining the small momentum of a single photon with the velocity and spatially dependent absorption cross-section and a large number of absorption spontaneous emission cycles, atoms with initial velocities of hundreds of meters per second can be slowed to tens of centimeters per second. I'm running out of battery power. Although charged particles can be trapped using a Penning trap or a Paul trap using a combination of electric and magnetic fields, these traps do not work for neutral atoms. So here's a diagram showing a mirror, cold atom cloud, vacuum chamber, laser beam circularly polarized, and magnet coils in Anti-Helmholtz configuration. So this is the experimental setup of the MOT. The keyword is Anti-Helmholtz configuration, which I'm going to continue in the next video. And I'll put this, we'll continue in next video. So what we're going to do is I'm going to put stop here. Can't type as always, and I'm going to just make this A, 45A, and the next one will be 45B. Okay? And we'll just add a new subpage and divide this up. It'll be the same title, and let's just make it a 45B so that we know. I'm just waiting for my battery to use up stuff. Okay, thanks for watching.